Hello everyone, welcome back. And it's been a while since I posted Bee Swarm, or it's been a while since I posted on YouTube, so I decided to. And school's back and we're still into school. So here is my I haven't played it in a while, so that's why. And Elol just got up and he's really good. So I feel like he's actually doing really good right now. And I really want to get the Fuzzy Bee because that's probably the only mythic bee that I can't really hatch. And I've been trying to hatch it for a bunch of months. And I can't get it. I even tried a diamond egg and it didn't work. I tried so many diamond eggs. But really what lucky happened, probably in the past beginning of the year, guess what happened? You're gonna be shocked. A golden egg can give you a mythic, right? Well, I got one from there, and it's the Vector Bee. I was disappointed because I wanted Fuzzy Bee, but anyways, I kept that bee because it was mythic. Always keep a mythic, and don't change a gifted event because then you can't you can hatch the event bee, but you can't get it gifted again, I think. And really, I'm still doing the brown bear quest, but it's actually really annoying because these are just quests. These are the quests for now. Look at this. How am I gonna complete, let's see. My hardest quest ever, Star Journey 3. I know, it's actually really hard because it's one of the hardest to get. And I'm actually really still disappointed that I can't get the Fuzzy Bee, but I probably know that I can get it if I do something really good. So I still have a chance of getting it. Also, these myths will probably be coming up. So I suggest you to get prepared for it. And I'm just clicking on this. And event bees are really good. Really awesome. And I don't know about getting the fire mat, the bee mats, because I already have the fire mat. And I also want to get the coconut bees, but that's gonna probably take a long time. And I only have 3 of these. I still have lots of amulets, but the Stump Snail amulet, which is bronze, I really want to change that to silver. And it's gonna be really hard to. So I want that Supreme Star amulet for getting a bunch of get the bees, because look at it, it's just diamond or whatever. I can't remember that color. Because I haven't played in a while. I still like the game, but I just haven't played in a while. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell. Our goal is to get 100 subscribers before 2023. Have a wonderful day. Bye.